The DJI Action 5 Pro will probably be the best action camera of 2024. Everything about it has been leaked. We have all the official renders, the box, the full spec sheet, and finally its price and official release date. Let's get into it. So this is how the Action 5 Pro will look like. The design remains essentially the same, with some minor external upgrades, such as the microphones, which are now larger and better. And the back OLED screen, now featuring 1000 nits of brightness, always on display when recording, and oleophobic coating ensuring responsiveness even when wet. It's also bigger because of the thinner bezels. In fact, the screen-to-body ratio has been increased by 16%. Overall, there are not major changes on the outside. Moving on to the camera specs, it will feature a 40 megapixels, 1 by 1.3 inches sensor, with 150 degrees field of view and up to 4K 120 frames per second recording. However, there are massive upgrades to the slow-motion videos. In fact, the Action 5 Pro will be capable of recording 32x slow motion at an equivalent of 960 FPS, thanks to the new 4nm processing chip in the camera. That's very impressive considering the native footage is at 240 frames per second in 1080p. I'm very curious to see how it will look like in reality. It also features subject tracking, which will adjust the composition of the shot and will center the subject in the frame. It's also equipped with 47 gigabytes of internal storage and DG mic integration. There are pretty significant upgrades to the battery, which now lasts 50% longer compared to the Action 4, and it can now be connected to Apple Watches and Garmin's to have on-screen GPS data. Let's now talk about the price and release date. The Action 5 will start at $379. A pretty good price considering the competitors and the fact that it's now a flagship action camera. However, that's of course the price of the standard combo, with one battery and the mounting accessories. The Adventure Combo is priced at $479. It includes 3 batteries and the charging case, some mounting accessories, and a selfie stick. There are more combos that feature dedicated accessories for different sports, such as the cycling or motorbike combo. Finally, the release date. It has been confirmed officially by DJI for September 19th. To conclude, if you want to receive almost real-time updates on all the new DJI leaks, go check my community posts, subscribe so you won't miss them.